Third is 27 into 3 power minus 2. Okay. So first step, we are going to write 27 as a power of 3. Why we have to write as a power of 3? Because our basis here is 3. Okay, that's why we write 27 as a power of 3. So 27 equals to what? 3 power 3. Now let's use the formula. What formula? A power n into a power n equals to a power m plus n. If the base are same, we have to add the powers. So what is our base? A. We are adding the power. Okay, m plus n. Let's come to the sum. Now 27 we write as power of 3, that is 3 power 3 into 3 power minus 2. Okay, so here what is our base? That is 3. So add the powers. Okay, so 3 plus of minus 2. So plus into minus, it's a minus. So 3 minus 2 we have. Okay, so 3 power 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 power 1. It's nothing but 3. So what is our final answer? That is 3. B sum 16 into 2 power minus 3. Okay, so we have to write 16 as the power of 2. Why? Because our basis here is it's 2. Okay, so 16 is equals to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but what? It's 16. We write as a power of 2. Now formula again, a power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, let's come back to the sum. 16 is nothing but 2 power 4 into 2 power minus 3. Now we have two bases, right? So bases are same. What we have to do? We should add the powers. So 2 power 4 plus of minus 3. So plus into minus is, it's a minus. So what do we have now? In the power, we have 4 minus 3. So 2 power 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 power 1. It's nothing but 2. So our final answer is 2. Third C sum 64 into power minus 1. Okay, so we have to write 64 as a power of 2. Why? Here our base is what? It's 2. Okay, that's why we write 64 as a power of 2. So that is 2 power 6. Okay, let's use the formula. What formula? A power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. Now what is our 64? That is 2 power 6. Okay, so 2 power 6 into 2 power minus 1. Base are same. So what we have to do? We just add the powers. So 6 plus of minus 1. So plus into minus, it's a minus, right? So 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is, it's a 5. So what is our final answer? It's a 2 power 5. We expanded. Okay, so 2 is repeating at 5 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times we have to write as a 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2. Then 2 more 2's I have to write it. Okay, so 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. So 2 power 5 value is 32. So what is our final answer? That is 32. D sum 4 into 2 power minus 3. Okay, so we have to write 4 as a power of 2. So 4 equals to what? 2 square. Let's use the formula. What formula again? A power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. Now what is our 4? That is 2 square into 2 power minus 3. Okay, so base are same. What we have to do? Just add the powers. 2 power 2 plus of minus 3. Again plus into minus, it's a minus. So 2 minus 3. Okay. Now one number is in positive, another number is in negative. So what you have to do, you just do the normal subtraction. 3 minus 2. From the bigger number only, we have to subtract the smaller number, right? So 3 minus 2 is 1. But what is our bigger number? That is 3, which has minus sign. So the answer will come in negative. Okay, so 2 power minus 1. So now we are using the other formula. If you have a power minus z, how can we write as the positive index? How can we write in positive index? We have to write as a reciprocal, right? 1 by a power n. So that formula I'm using it. So whenever we have negative indices, what we have to do? We have to make it to positive. So 2 power minus 1 is nothing but what? 1 by 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is, it's just 2. So 1 by 2. Our final answer is 1 by 2. We sum 36 into 6 power minus 1. Okay, so write 36 as a power of 6. Why? Our base here is 6. So 36 is nothing but 6 square. Okay, again the same formula. A power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. Now 6 square into 6 power minus 1. We rewrite the question, right? 36 we wrote as a what? 6 square. 6 square into 6 power minus 1. If the base are same, what do you have to do? Add the powers. So 2 plus of minus 1. Again plus into minus, it's minus. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is, it's just 1. So 6 power 1. Okay, 6 power 1 is nothing but it's 6. So our final answer is it's 6. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.